How to start affiliate marketing brand by decoding celebrities' outfits. Affiliate marketing is one of the best methods to make passive income with less efforts. So in this video, I will reveal a proven method to build an affiliate brand on Instagram by decoding celebrities' outfits. You cannot become a millionaire overnight with this business, but I am sure that you can make minimum $1,000 per month in 6 months if you follow the blueprint which I share. Then you can scale this business by using your creativity, like you can build a clothing brand or you can resell products on Amazon with a loyal audience from Instagram. If you are interested to start making money, continue watching this video. I will explain the business model. First, we are going to create a brand on Instagram and YouTube. We have to post videos which shows outfits of trending celebrities with affiliate links. Affiliate marketing is promoting others' products. When someone buys from our link, we will get a certain amount of commission. So I will explain the whole process step by step. So watch the video without skipping any part, and I have a bonus tip at the end of this video to get more orders. To create brand, you have to choose a unique name with an Instagram page for social proof and to build audience. You can use ChatGPT for more name ideas, and then create an Instagram page, a YouTube channel and a Telegram channel. Copy the link of the Telegram channel and paste it in Instagram bio. To make this professional, use any AI generator like Leonardo AI to create a logo. If you don't know to give prompts, watch this video to get high-level prompts using ChatGPT. Then write some cool bio description and that's it. Your brand is ready. Let's see how to join affiliate programs. Most of the people would advise you to join Amazon affiliate, but that will pay you a very less amount. Instead, I will suggest you to use Earnkaro if you are from India, and other platforms are GoPaisa, TopDeal, QLink, etc. Basically, these platforms allow you to join affiliate program with top e-commerce stores like Meesho, Myntra, Flipkart. But here's the problem will arise. Some products will not be available on these platforms, so you have to use Amazon at that time. Let's see how to join affiliate program in Earnkaro. Download Earnkaro app from Play Store and sign up with email and password. Or just click join with Facebook if you have, and that's it for now. To transfer the amount to bank you earned, you need to submit KYC, but it's not necessary for now. And to join Amazon affiliates, follow the steps I do. Search Amazon Associates on Google and go to the first one. Now click sign up and you will be directed to their sign up page. Here you have to complete 4 steps, which are basic account information, website and mobile app list, profile, and last step is Associate Central. In first part, fill the basic informations like payee name, address, mobile number. In second part, you have to enter the links of the apps you use to promote their products. Enter your Instagram profile link, YouTube channel link and Telegram links, and that's it. In third part, don't forget to choose a unique store name which will be included with your affiliate link, and some of the basic informations like needs of your store, CAPTCHA verification, and that's it. Your Amazon affiliate account is ready. To decode celebrities' outfits, first we need to find their latest or trending videos. I will show you an example. Just go to YouTube or Instagram and search actor Vijay latest speech and select a short video without text. Then analyze their outfits, search their shirt, pants, shoes and accessories on Myntra or Flipkart. Then take screenshots of the products and paste all the links in Notepad. Then copy links one by one and go to Earnkaro. Now go to Profit Links and paste the link. They will give another affiliate link. You have to save this link in another notepad file. Save all affiliate links of the outfits and it's time to create the video. I suggest you to use Capcut. So turn on any VPN and open Capcut. Import all screenshots and set each image for 2 seconds. Crop the screenshot by removing the unwanted things. Then at the beginning, import the celebrity's video with those products. Use any trending audio in Instagram. Now add text like name of the product, price, with some bold font and bright color. Use some simple transitions between the screenshots. Finally, don't forget to specify that links are in bio. And it's enough for now. If you want to edit more, you can do. But for this business, quantity of the content is more important than the quality. Finally, your video is ready. Go to Instagram and post the reel with the audio you edited. Write caption as wait for end, which will increase the watch time of the reel. That's it. Don't share it with anybody. Instagram algorithm will promote your reel one day. Do the same procedure in YouTube. And now go to Telegram, post the video of the celebrity with each links. Mention the type of product like shirt, pants and paste the link in next line. Now copy this Telegram post with links and paste it in your YouTube video's first comment and description. Don't forget to share the link of your Telegram channel in Instagram bio. Finally, everything is completed. Your work is to make more videos consistently. Now I will explain the first bonus tip. Join Telegram channel of some top creators in this business and note down their subscribers' needs. Try to make videos what they ask and it might get you more orders. Second bonus tip. Look at the comments in Telegram channel and add them to your Telegram channel. Now I am sure that they will buy products from your channel. In conclusion, focus on making more videos. If you want a detailed guide for this business, let me know in the comment section. Start this business today itself. Don't wait for anyone to help you. If you want online business ideas with full guide, subscribe our channel immediately. And if you want to make talking animation like my channel, click here and I will meet you there.